Detroit Public Schools facing a major lawsuit tonight.
Some parents claim their kids have been physically abused by staff, and the district is covering it up. Fox News' Dave Kinchin joining us live. And Dave, these are some pretty shocking allegations tonight.
Yeah, pretty shocking allegations, and some parents say they didn't find out about all this until they say they saw pictures of their kids in the newspaper. So here's what we know. Several parents filing a lawsuit. They're their attorneys against the Detroit Public Schools Community District, alleging abuse of power and cover-up of child abuse. The pending suit focuses on the Moses Field Center School and accuses the Detroit schools and administrators of not reporting what attorneys call substantiated cases of abuse to Child Protective Services, and for failing, they say, to take the alleged abusers out of the school. It says kids were restrained in specialized chairs meant to improve the posture of wheelchair-bound students and people. One parent said their child was even choked. Attorneys allege students were allowed to suffer for months, all while vital information was allegedly kept from parents. One of the kids we know is nonverbal. We are told that there are other kids involved that may have special needs. The parents of a 6-year-old and 12-year-old spoke with the press, two separate parents. Here's what one of them told us.
She come home twice from being double diapered, and also she come home with soiled pants in a bag. So that means someone was not even changing her. She'll sit in that chair all day, and she wasn't even getting changed right.
And literally 4 minutes ago, I just got a statement from the school district, so it reads here. The district removed 2 paraprofessionals from Moses Field immediately once allegations of student abuse surfaced. The statement we just got now from Detroit Schools goes on to say the final investigation revealed improper conduct by both employees, one of which is facing criminal charges. Both employees are no longer employed by the district. At this point, the district says there is no evidence that school or central office administration failed to report abuse against children at the school. The district is prepared to defend itself through facts in court if necessary. Close quote. That's the statement we just got from the Detroit Public Schools Community District there. So they're working on all of this now as it takes place, and we'll keep you updated as this all develops. For now, reporting live in Detroit, Dave Kinchin, Fox 2 News.
And Dave, this is so difficult to hear. You can only imagine what these families are going through. And I mean, you said, though, that some of these kids are nonverbal. So that's tough, because you don't even know how long this may have allegedly been going on. I mean, do we know if there's been surveillance video or witnesses to these potentially horrific crimes?
We don't know yet. We do know that the lawyers representing the parents, they're trying to find any witnesses they can to work on this. We also know the criminal case, those charges have been filed against at least one person, the statement read, so we're going to check on that as well. But a lot of questions there. And again, one parent told us that they didn't hear about all this for months, and a parent said they saw their kid in the paper once allegations surfaced, and you can only imagine just how shocked they were when they saw that. So they have a lot of questions. They're working through their attorneys to get all that information, and we're certainly working with both sides of the school district and the parents, trying to find out as much as we can and piece all this together.
Right. Just heartbreaking. Dave, more to come on this. Thank you.